The purpose of today's video is to talk about 6 ways you can use your planner for wellness. What is wellness? Wellness is the state of being in good health, and your planner can help with that. Now think about that for a moment. Your planner can help you have good health. This is important. If you ask most millennials today what they aspire to be, they will say, I aspire to be rich. I heard that on the news the other day. But what good is it to be rich if you don't have good health to enjoy it? So being well should be a priority over your other goals because good health is imperative before you can even enjoy the fruits of your labor. Hi everybody, my name is Tanya. I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hi, are you on Facebook? If so, please head over to my Facebook page and like and follow me. Are you watching from YouTube? Hey, if so, please like this video and subscribe. And are you on Instagram? If so, please follow me at Tanya_plans. I am so excited to talk about 6 ways that you can use your planner for wellness. Number 1, you can use your planner to track water consumption. It's a great place to track water consumption by day. Once I started to log my water intake in my planner, I realized something. I wasn't drinking enough water. As I started to drink more water, I felt better. I was eating less. It helped my acne. I used the bathroom more, which is a plus because you want to flush toxins from your body, and I felt more energetic. Number 2, you can use your planner to track workouts. Not only can you track when you go exercise, but you can keep track of the type of workouts you do. Now, tracking workouts in my planner helped me realize that my problem is that I love doing cardio. I love to walk at an incline and run when my knees aren't acting up. And tracking the type of workouts I did brought to my attention I need to do more weight training, and weight training has numerous benefits. It helps you lose body fat, it helps you burn more calories, it helps with bone health, etc. Number 3, you can use your planner to track mood or menstrual cycles. I personally use my planner to track my cycle, which I learned is tied to my mood. By tracking my cycle, I learned 2 things about myself. Number 1 is I get uptight and experience mood swings exactly 2 days before my period. I asked my OBGYN about it, and she says that there is a scientific reason behind that. It had something to do with the body retaining fluid and your brain slightly swelling, causing mood swings. So what I do now is that I take a Pamperin or a Motrin to release the fluid, and I have been able to avoid those mood swings. Trust me, my husband has noticed a difference. Also, during my menstrual cycle, I make sure that I follow my facial regimen to a T, as my face tends to break out during this time. And because I track this information, it helps with my shopping list because I know when to buy sanitary supplies. Number 4, use your planner to write down what you plan to eat. I am on Weight Watchers, and there is an app for that. The app is great for determining how many points are in foods and for tallying up how many points have been used and left over for the day. But I found I am only successful when I write out what I plan to eat ahead of time. That way I am not having to make a split decision throughout the day on what I'm eating. When I'm hungry, I tend to grab whatever's the easiest to eat, and that may not be the healthiest option. I've tried to use the app for planning what I'm going to eat, but I'm most successful when I write down a plan. I like to use my weekly inserts for this. Here I am showing a week on 2 pages, and this is a great way to reflect on what my eating plans were for the week. Number 5, use your planner to schedule medical appointments. Some of you may know from my previous videos, my husband has chronic end-stage renal disease, and he's on the kidney transplant list. We have to keep up with many doctor's appointments and medications. It can be overwhelming sometimes, especially when having to work and care for children. My husband has a small pocket planner. I have my compact ring-bound planner that you see here, and we have a central family calendar in the kitchen. And on top of that, we use Alexa for reminders to keep up with it all. Now suppose you are watching this and you're a relatively healthy person. Well, a planner can still help you keep up with your regular routine medical appointments. The healthcare world likes to call these preventative services. So for example, for me, I'm a 46-year-old woman. I have to remember to get a mammogram each year. I have to remember to get teeth cleanings twice a year, to get an annual OBGYN appointment, to get an annual eye exam, and an annual physical. That is a lot to keep up with when you're working and you're in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. So a planner really helps with these type of things. As a man, men are known for putting off checkups and sometimes don't go to the doctor until it's too late. So having a planner can help men as well keep up with their appointments like prostate exams, etc. The great thing about these preventative services is that we can go to the doctor without paying a copay thanks to the Affordable Care Act. Number 6. Finally, you can use your planner to maintain relationships with people, to maintain healthy relationships. Did you know that studies have been done to show that people live the longest when they do not feel lonely, and they live the longest when they live life with purpose? Now, everyone feels lonely sometimes. That's natural and can't be avoided, and sometimes you just must do things alone. But you can use your planner to make time for what's important to you, and to make time for your loved ones, and make time to participate in activities that bring fulfillment and purpose to your life. I use my weekly compass to do this. I did a separate detailed video on how to fill this out and use it, and I will link the video below. But once you determine what's important to you, like I've done here, you can set aside time in your planner for these things. So that is 6 ways your planner can help you have good health. How do you use your planner for wellness? Let me know in the comments. I love to hear from you. I love chatting about planners, so feel free to comment. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video and click on the thumbnail on the next screen to watch another one of my videos. This is Tanya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.